Okay, hi Belfast. So we are done week one, and I think we're hopefully getting a little bit better with the technology. So week two, I'm also getting better with it. So we're going to see if we can figure this out together. So we have moved on to division, and which I know is all your favorites, but I'm going to try and present it to you in a way that's somewhat familiar. So we're going to use money to look at how we could divide numbers or do long division. So when you go into your slide, you're going to see like this as actually your second slide. So your first slide will be me going through this example. So you'll have this exact kind of sample question that you can refer back to. So the question here is, if I have $369, how would I divide that among three people? So what you're always going to try and do is pick the largest amount that you can give away. Okay, so here in this column, see if you notice, this looks a little bit different. I have this long tail here. The reason I have that is because we're doing it a little bit different. So what you're going to put here is how much you're giving to each person. So if I have 369, the largest amount that I can give each person is $100. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this. So that's what you would do on the Google slide. You would drag it over to that column. And I'm going to put it in line with this here because this is going to be, since I've given away $100 to each person, how much in total have I given away? Okay, and so that's going to be, if I give each person $100, then I will have given 300 away. So I would go ahead and type that 300 in where the question mark is. So once I've done that, then I have to decide, okay, well, if I've given away 300, how much do I have left to give away? Okay, so I would go ahead and type in what's left, which in this case is 69. So now I have to re-ask myself that question. Of $69, what is the largest amount that I can give to each person? Okay, well, it's going to be, I could give $20 to each person, each of the three people. So if I give $20, that means I will be giving a total of $60 away. And so I would type that in. So once I've done that, then I once again say, well, how much money do I have left still to give away? Okay, well, I have $9 left to give away. And you can do two things at this point. You can either say, okay, what's the next largest amount I can give away? Or if you know how I would split 9, you could go ahead and split 9. So you could, in this column here, put a 2 and a 1 to show that you're giving away $3. Or sorry, $3 to each person. Okay, so you could do that. Or you could say, okay, I'm going to give 2 to each person. And if you gave 2 to each person, then you'd be giving away a total of 6. Okay, and so then you'd be left with 3 ones to give away, which would then just be, you'd be giving $1 then to each person. Okay, so in total, if I look here, in total I would have given away $123 to each person. And so that is going, I'm going to type that in at the top as my solution. So when you go into the Google Slides, remember you can drag these numbers over to this column and then type in what the total would be. Okay, so once again, keep track of your questions and let me know how it goes. All right, bye for now.